welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, hey hi, thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and also click on the bell button so that you'll get notified every single time I post a new video. So today's video is going to be my top 10 favorite drugstore lip products that I've been loving for quite some time now. So the lip shade ranges are from nudes, pinks, reds and all that. So I hope you all like it. So without further ado, let's get started. The first lip product is the one that I'm wearing on my lips today. So it's from the brand called NYX. It's the Powder Puff Liquid Lippy. So this is how it looks. So it's such a gorgeous product, you guys. It comes in a tube like this. So the packaging is also very thoughtful. Like there's a sponge here. It's a sponge applicator. So for the product to come out from the sponge, you'll have to press the tube like this so that the product comes out from the sponge, and you can apply it on your lips. One downside is you cannot be very precise with the sponge applicator. Nonetheless, the product is beautiful. It has a moussey consistency, I would say. It's very comfortable on the lips, you guys, because you know you cannot wear liquid lipsticks for everyday wear. So this is like nice moussey consistency. It's like a powder matte finish, so you can see it on my lips. It's beautiful. It takes 1 or 2 minutes to set, but once it's set, I wouldn't say it's completely transfer proof. It transfers, but just a little bit, and it's very comfortable to wear. It doesn't dry your lips, and it doesn't make your what do you say, the lines appear more So I really love this product, and you can see it applies very smoothly, you guys, and the color is such a nice mauvey, cool toned, rosy color, I would say, and it's gonna suit a lot of skin tones, especially the duskier skin tones. This is gonna look beautiful. So I really recommend this for the girls who have dusky medium skin tones. It's beautiful. The next lipstick is from the brand called Sugar Cosmetics. It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick in the shade 09 Better Call Salmon. So this comes in a packaging like this. It's a very simple black packaging, and the product in the tube looks like this again. So guys, I've used quite a bit from this product, so only this much is left out because it's such a beautiful color. I'll show you the swatch. So it's a perfect matte shade, you guys. Can you see? It's a beautiful shade. I would say it's a nice peachy, pinky, little warm toned nude for every day. I would say it's for a everyday wear, and yeah, it's such a beautiful color. It applies very smoothly, and it's very comfortable on the lips. But after some time, I would say it's a little bit drying. So it's always good if you apply a lip balm underneath, so it won't feel very drying on your lips. Let me show you the swatch on my lips. There's no tug when you apply. It's very smooth. So do you see the gorgeous shade, you guys? It's a perfect shade for me. I'm a NC 30 to 35, so this perfectly matches my skin tone. So if you have light to medium skin tone, it's gonna beautifully suit you. But if you have deeper skin tones or duskier skin tones, you would need to outline your lips with a little darker lip liner, and then you can go ahead with this. So yeah, this is one of my favorites. The next one is from the brand called L'Oreal Paris. So this is how it looks. So this lipstick is called the Lee Matte Velvet Full Coverage Lip Color. It's in the shade 102. She's so matte. Again, it's one of my favorite shade and one of my favorite formula. So this is how the packaging looks. So the color again is my lips, but better sort of color on my skin tone. So let me show it to you guys. How it's a very creamy formula. Do you see that? How beautifully it applies, and the color is also a nice everyday sort of peachy nude. It's just a perfect nude for me, you guys. Let me apply and show it to you. Do you see the finish, you guys? It's a perfect matte lipstick. It can be a little bit drying on your lips, and it's a very dry matte formula, and it stays for really long time, like 6 to 7 hours. It won't budge, and once it's set, it takes like 1 to 2 minutes to set, but once it's set, it's not gonna budge, because you know it's really gonna stay for a long time. So guys, the last lip product from the nude range, I wouldn't say this is a perfect nude, but it's a nice gothic shade. The last one is from the brand called NYX. Yeah, I just realized that I do have a lot of NYX products today with this lip product. So yeah, this is from the NYX lingerie range. So this is how the product looks. So this is in the shade called Honeymoon. Yeah, this is a nice, it's not for, it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I really like this product. It's a nice cool toned brown, like you can see. Like it's a nice cool tone. So this is how the shade looks on me. So it's not, I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I really like this color. Just a nice cool tone brown, grayish brown sort of color, grayish yellowish sort of brownish color, which I absolutely love. Maybe it doesn't suit this this top because the color is different, but when you wear a nice nude top, like a skin beige top and all, when you wear this lipstick, it absolutely looks beautiful. And yeah, but I would say it's a little bit drying, guys. After some time this can really be drying, but you can always work by applying a lip balm underneath. Moving from the nude colors, we do have the first pink lip gloss. So this again is from the brand called NYX. It's their butter gloss, guys. They do have a huge range of shades. They are all beautiful, and the one that I have today is in the shade Cupcakes. They have cute names, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch it on my hands now for you to see. I don't know if the camera is picking up the color, but it's a beautiful pink shade. It's like a bubblegum pink. It's a pastel bubblegum pink shade, but when you apply it on your lips, it doesn't look like a Barbie pink, but it's really very pretty. So let me apply it on my lips and show you. So this is how this product looks on my lips. It's such a gorgeous shade, isn't it? It's such a nice bubblegum kind of pink, and it's very glossy, juicy, which I absolutely love. There's one con with this product, you guys. It's pretty thick. So when you let your hair down, there are high chances that your hair just gets stuck here, and you know, your lip gloss is becoming streak everywhere here and there, which is not cool. So that's the only thing that I don't like about this product, but still it's a beautiful color. It stays for pretty long time when compared to the other glosses, so I really like it. And it's, yeah, the pigmentation is also beautiful, I would say, and you can wear it for every day, and it's going to be very comfortable on your lips, and it's very moisturizing too. So this lipstick is from the brand called Maybelline. It's a Maybelline lip gradation. This is in the shade Pink 1. It's such a beautiful coral kind of pink, and the form. See, I have only this much of product left because I've used a lot. I love this product, and it's a very creamy product, you guys. It's very creamy, smooth on application, and the formula is again a powder matte finish. So this is just like the L'Oreal matte lipstick that I've shown before. The formula is pretty same, and it's a nice pink shade which is going to suit light to medium skin tone, but I don't think deeper skin tones can work with this because it definitely is going to wash you out. So let me apply it on my lips and show it to you. This is not the first time I'm showing this lip product to you guys. I've used it a lot in my channel only. So I generally, when I apply this lipstick, I just dab it on my lips because I don't like to apply it very thick. I just like to give a nice flush of pink to my lips because it looks very natural, and I absolutely adore this product. So this is how it looks on my lips. So guys, I'll put all the information of all the product information in the description box below, like the product, the shade name, and the price. I'll list everything in the description box below for you guys, so please check it out. The next product is from a brand called Nykaa. It's again, you don't need an introduction. It's by Nykaa X Masaba. Guys, can we just take a moment to appreciate the packaging? It comes in a beautiful packaging like this. So I think Masaba has put in a lot of effort and thought into the packaging. It's beautiful. It's a cardboard packaging. It's not plastic. And it's a bullet lipstick. So this is how the product looks. And the product is, I wouldn't say it's a perfect, it isn't a very matte formula, but it is a nice semi-matte which isn't drying on your lips. You don't need to apply a lip balm because it's very moisturizing on your lips, and it's very creamy. There is no tug or pull. It doesn't accentuate the fine lines on your lips. It's beautiful. It's affordable as well, and let me show you on my lips how it looks on my lips. I would describe this color a nice fuchsia pink or a magenta. So this is how it looks on my lips. It's a beautiful shade. It's going to work on a lot of skin tones, especially for the ones with deeper skin tones, duskier skin tones. This is going to suit you all girls beautifully, and yeah, why not rock this color? Such a nice gorgeous fuchsia pink, magenta pink, beautiful. The next one that I have is the lip product from the brand called Bourjois. So I'm so sorry guys, sadly this lip product, this brand isn't available in India yet, but if you can get your hands on this, please get this because it's such a beautiful, gorgeous lip product. I'm not able to describe this because it's not a bullet lip formula, it's not a liquid lip formula. They call it as the Rouge Edition Velvet lipsticks. Absolutely, this is the perfect way to describe this. It just feels like velvet when you apply it on your lips, you guys. It's such a beautiful product, and it's so creamy. This is how it looks on. This is how the packaging is, and this is how it looks. So when you open, there's a doe food applicator, and let me show you how the product looks. So this is how my swatch looks. It's a nice plum wine color that can suit a lot of skin tones, but especially the ones with deeper dusky skin tones. It's gonna suit you all girls beautifully. And yeah, let me show this swatch on my lips. It's a gorgeous color, you guys. Do you see that? The pigmentation. So this is how the swatch looks on my lips. Guys, I think it's time for some red now. So first product that we have is from Nykaa again. Nykaa X Masaba packaging. How cool is the packaging? Can we just appreciate? It's again a cardboard packaging, and I'll put all the information in the description box below, like the price, the shade name, everything. So it's again a bullet lipstick and a creamy formula. So let me swatch it on my hands for you. So this is how the shade looks. So it is a nice it isn't, I wouldn't say it's a cool tone red. It's a mix of cool tone and warm tone red. That will make your face look fresh and bright. So so yeah, that is how I would describe this red. It's a nice combination of cool tone and warm tone red. So let me apply it on my lips. Just a single swipe and you get the full pigmentation. It's very creamy on application. You don't need a lip balm beneath. So this is how gorgeous the shade is, you guys. It's beautiful, but one thing I would say, when you're using this particular Nykaa X Masaba lip shades, it's always good to line your lips, outline your lips, because this tend to bleed, because it's very moisturizing. So it tends to bleed, so it's always better to outline your lips with a lip liner. Last but not the least, we have my most favorite lip product, which is from Kay Beauty. So this is how the packaging looks. It's very simple and neat packaging, and when you open, this has a retractable packaging, which is very good. And the color, you guys, let me swatch it for you. It's a nice pinky red. It's very pretty, and this resembles the one of Nykaa I think the shade name is called Mishti. Yeah, it is that sort of color which has red and pink, magenta and red together. So it's beautiful. Just one swipe and you get a lot of pigmentation, you guys. So this is how the shade looks on me. It's perfect, isn't it? So as I said before, it's a nice pinky red. It's gonna suit all skin tones no matter what, and the formula is pretty matte, guys. It's a dry matte formula. It takes 1 or 2 minutes to set, but once it's set, it's not going to budge. It's going to stay forever unless you remove it with a makeup remover. So I would always suggest using a lip balm below underneath your lipstick, because it's not going to be drying. It's going to be drying, so in order to prevent that, you need a lip balm. And yeah, it's such a gorgeous shade, and it's going to stay on your lips for a long time. So I absolutely love. I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you all guys in my next video. Bye.